Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Modern rustic exterior, stone, wood, and glass. The exterior of the house is a striking blend of modern and rustic elements. The lower portion of the house is clad in natural stone, providing a solid, grounded base. The warmth and texture of the stone contrast beautifully with the sleek modernity of the upper level. The upper level is characterized by large expanses of glass, allowing natural light to flood the interior. Black metal framing for the windows and doors creates a sharp contrast against the stone and wood elements, emphasizing the modern aesthetic. Wooden accents, such as a wooden front door or timber beams, add warmth and character to the exterior. The combination of stone, wood, and glass creates a visually interesting and inviting facade. The roof is typically a dark, low-pitched design, further enhancing the modern look. It can be covered in metal or asphalt shingles, depending on the desired aesthetic. Overall, the exterior of the house is a harmonious blend of natural materials and contemporary design. It creates a strong visual impact while maintaining a sense of warmth and comfort. Interior design, modern rustic fusion. The interior of the house is a harmonious blend of modern and rustic elements. The expansive glass doors flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The stone exterior is often reflected in interior design elements, such as a stone accent wall or fireplace. The living area is a cozy yet stylish space, a combination of modern furniture with clean lines and rustic elements, such as a reclaimed wood coffee table or a sheepskin rug, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows offer stunning views of the outdoors, blurring the lines between inside and out. The kitchen is a blend of functionality and character. Modern appliances are paired with wooden cabinetry and a stone backsplash. The contrast between the sleek and the natural creates a visually interesting space. Bedrooms are havens of tranquility. Soft, neutral colors and natural materials like wood and linen create a restful environment. Large windows offer views of the surrounding landscape, connecting the bedroom to the outdoors. Bathrooms are a spa-like retreat. Natural stone is often used for flooring and walls, while modern fixtures and fittings maintain the contemporary aesthetic. Wooden accents, such as a vanity made from reclaimed wood, add warmth and character. Throughout the house, the emphasis is on creating a space that is both stylish and comfortable. The combination of modern and rustic elements results in a home that is both inviting and sophisticated. Reasons to design a modern small house with rustic stone and wood, glass doors. 1. Harmony with nature. The combination of stone and wood creates a natural aesthetic that harmonizes with various outdoor environments. The glass doors further enhance this connection by blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. 2. Durability and longevity. Stone and wood are both durable materials that can withstand the elements, ensuring the longevity of the house. They require minimal maintenance compared to other materials. 3. Visual appeal. The contrast between the modern glass elements and the rustic stone and wood creates a visually striking and interesting exterior. This combination offers a unique and sophisticated look. 4. Energy efficiency. Stone is an excellent insulator, helping to regulate indoor temperature. When combined with energy-efficient glass and proper insulation, the house can achieve optimal energy performance. 5. Low maintenance. While stone and wood require some care, they are generally lower maintenance compared to other materials. This allows homeowners to spend more time enjoying their home and less time on upkeep. 6. Resale value. A house with a unique blend of modern and rustic elements often appeals to a wider range of buyers, potentially increasing its resale value. 7. Indoor-outdoor living. The large glass doors facilitate a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the overall living experience. 8. Timeless appeal. The combination of stone and wood is classic and timeless, while the modern elements add a contemporary touch. The overall design is likely to remain visually appealing for years to come. By combining these elements, the house creates a warm, inviting, and visually striking living space that is both modern and timeless. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.